This is the second demonstration of how to complete the forms for the Denver Metro Regional Science and Engineering Fair. Here we're going to complete the Student Checklist Form 1A. To complete number 1, you need to include the student or team leader's name, grade, email, and phone number. For this example, we have a team of 3 people. Miley Cyrus will be the team leader. If you do not have a team, you would just leave team members' names blank. For number 2, enter the title of your project. For this example, we're using Drinking Tea and Not Coffee Improves Singing. For number 3, enter the name of your school. Even if it's a homeschool, you need to enter this information. Please remember to include the entire school's address, the street, the city, the state, and the zip code. For the adult sponsor, enter their name, and for this example, we're using Blake Shelton. Please ensure that his phone number and email are correct in case we need to contact you. For number 5, this project is actually using humans for this example, and so we will need pre-approval. We do need to have the school's IRB approve this project. So we've entered a tentative start date of November 15th, 2016. For number 6, this is not a continuation from a previous year, so we would actually click no. If this is a continuation, then you would select yes, and make sure you include the abstract and the research plan from the previous years. Enter the actual start date of when you're going to be collecting data. So for this example, we will start collecting data on November 20th, 2016, and we will be completing our data collection in 2017, but prior to the Denver Metro Regional Science and Engineering Fair competition. For number 8, where will you conduct your experimentation? Here, the work will be done at school, as well as at a recording studio. So include the recording studio information. And that would be down here. So this is the voice recording studio. Include the address, and the phone number. For number 10, it says to complete the research plan and summary, and the instructions are following this. And do remember that you need an abstract for all projects. An abstract is about 250 words. Here we have the research plan project summary instructions. Please make sure you read all of these instructions. Each research plan should include a rationale section, the research question, hypothesis, engineering goals, or expected outcomes, depending on the type of project. Describe your procedures in detail. When you include these procedures in detail, the Scientific Review Committee can have a better understanding of how you did your experiments and may reduce the number of questions that they have for you. There's required to have a risk and safety section, and all experimentations do have some sort of risks. So ensure that you work with your adult sponsor or your qualified scientist on what those risks would be. Next, include a small section of how you would analyze your data, and include a bibliography. Make sure you list major references and that you put them in a appropriate style, such as APA style or MLA style. You will want to save this document, print it out, and just the Form 1A is required to register during the online registration. We do not need a copy of the instructions. We actually need your research plan when you apply for the Denver Metro Regional Science and Engineering Fair. Thank you.